Hi, this is a demo of GPS Tracker. This is a login page when you open your application in the browser. As you can see here, you can sign in or register. Or if you are not a existing user, then you can register. If you are a new user, you can register here. Or if you are an existing user, you can directly log in, go to the sign in page. Okay, so I'm signing in with the default username and password. All right. Okay, this is our dashboard. In this page we have certain buttons like my location reports. This my location button gives your location. It takes your locations and takes you to that location. And as well as we have reports. These are the reports. If you want to generate reports in CSV, Excel, that then you can use this reports button. Then we have different colors of the vehicle. This denotes the status of the vehicle. For example, green denotes the vehicle is in moving state, and then red denotes vehicle is in off state. Black denotes vehicle has been, device has been removed from the vehicle. And then blue denotes unknown position. Unknown position is something when you don't have the network coverage or GSM coverage, then device will be shown as a blue state. It means that it's not able to get the signals. Okay, as we know that this device takes data from satellites and send it to the server, nothing but the application what you are saying in this dashboard through GSM network. Okay. Okay, in the right side we have the number of devices assigned to this particular user. For example, this user has two devices, and if he wants to create new devices, he can click on this button and fill the details like name, unique ID. Unique ID is a ID which is uniquely identifies that device. Okay, and the SIM number. SIM number is to track which device has which SIM. So mainly this is required uh, to make the SIM payment. Okay, all right. Also, you can edit the information. So you can delete the information. You can delete the user. Okay. In the top down corner, you can see the values for each of the vehicles. For the Agraj, you have different values: speed, course, address. Address is where exactly the vehicle at this particular time. Okay, so you can click on the another vehicle and the position cursor moves to that particular location. Okay. The next thing is that you can see your vehicle on this map. Okay. And another feature I'm going to explain is geofencing. In geofencing, you can create a fences around your area, circle, test. Okay. You can delete it if you is okay. This one, this is a test account, so it doesn't have a proper permissions. Okay, we'll try to create a test, and save. Okay, we have created a fence. This is like a fence. This is a virtual fence. Whenever the device enters into this fence, you'll get the alert. Whenever the device exits from this fence, you'll get the alert. Okay, so this is about geofence. You can edit it. You can whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, and okay, then we'll go to the reports. Okay, after creating the geofence, you have to assign which geofence to which user. That can be done by choosing the geofences. For example, for the user to I'm assigning test geofence. Okay, all right. The next feature is playback. In the playback feature, we can give the timeline. For example, I'll give 4:30 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. But I want to see what has happened during this period of time where and all vehicle has moved. So in that case, what I'll do is if I want to see the track where all my vehicle has gone, I'll play it here. Okay, this is a button to it will button to play and stop. If you want to stop it, you can click on the stop. If you want to play again, you can play it. Okay. Also, you can see the position of your vehicle. For example, this bar will show you the particular location at that particular time. For example, you can see 4:36. The vehicle was somewhere near this Ramaya College Matike. All right. So again, I'll play it. So we have come till here, then again went back here and took a different path. Okay, this is my playback. All right. Okay. The next feature is that we can generate a reports also. There are different types of reports. Uh, for first one is a route report. Route report is a report which you can generate by giving the timelines from start to end. For example, for Santosh, I'll take the route report and give the same timeline. Okay, 40, and I want to see the data, so I'll give the show here so that I can see the data here. Also, you can see on the map what is the path we have taken. For example, here the arrow mark shows we have traveled from through this path. Okay, you can see the map here. You can it gives time, speed, and address. Okay. The next is you can choose the event. What all the events happen? Events can be either ignition on, ignition off, or devices moving, devices stop, GFS enter, GFS exit. These are all the alerts. Okay, I want to see what all the events happen during this period of time. So again, I'll do show. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you is that I can show data. Also, I can export data. This data I can export it in CSV format. Okay, after exporting data, I can see data in this format. I can add new columns also. That is also possible. Okay, this is about reports. Similarly, you can you can get the trips. For example, you want to see how many trips has happened between timeline. For example, in between 4:30 to 4:40, how many trips has happened. In that case, what you can do is you can just show here. Okay, from 4:30 to 4:45, there's one trip. We travel 3 km. Average speed is 16.73 km per hour. Maximum speed is 29.2 km. Start time, start address from where we started, end time, end address, duration, how much time we traveled. This about trip information. This can also be exported. Then the summary, summary of my journey. This gives the information like what is the distance traveled, what is the speed, what is maximum speed, engine hours, how many hours engine was on state. Okay, okay. This is about reports. Then next is yeah, notifications. In this application, we can customize the notifications. For example, what are the notification you want to see? Uh, yeah, there are several notifications. Device unknown, device online. Whenever for example, GFS enter, GFS exit, then you can set the alerts. Whenever the vehicle enters or exits that vehicle location, you get the alerts. Here it can be done by using checkbox. If you use check web, it is visible on the web. If you choose mail, it is alert will get on your mail or SMS. Okay. Similar features we have in mobile app as well. I'll make another video for the mobile app. Thanks.